Hello everyone! In today's video guys, I'm taking a quick look at two camera cases from Telesin, which are designed for cameras such as GoPro, DJI Action and Insta360. So what I got in here is the mini case and the medium accessories storage bag. So first, let's start with the smaller one, the mini storage bag. So basically, this is a compact case designed for minimal camera setup. And it's mainly meant to protect just your camera. So you can easily fit a camera such as GoPro, DJI Action or Insta360 inside. And notice that the elastic strap securely keeps the camera in place, so when you open the case, the camera won't accidentally fall out. And notice that there's a small mesh pocket for accessories such as, for example, a charging cable, an extra battery, or maybe a micro SD card. But there isn't really that much space for anything else. And the mini case is also very lightweight, as it weighs around 76 grams. Small, simple, lightweight, and it offers some basic protection for your camera. Now, let's move on to the medium case. Unlike the mini version, this case is designed to carry more accessories and keep everything organized. So inside the case, you'll find some fixed compartments that are mainly designed for DJI Action 6 camera, as far as I know. But other cameras also fit in here. For example, GoPro Hero 13 Black fits here without any problems whatsoever. Go Ultra also works just fine. But when I tried to do it with Insta360 Ace Pro 2, well, it also fits, but it's a really tight fit. So you kinda have to squeeze it in. What's more, inside the case, you also get dedicated slots for 2 extra batteries and 4 slots for ND filters. And you also get a dedicated slot for a quick release mount. So that's basically how it looks like when you put all of your accessories together. Because all of these compartments are fixed, the case works great if your gear matches this layout. So it works great with GoPro Hero 13 Black and its previous models, as well as obviously DJI Action 6. But I noticed that when I tried to put Insta360 Ace Pro 2 battery into the battery slot compartment, it won't fit because it's simply too big. And just like in the mini case, there is a small mesh pocket just on top of it. So you can store here some cables, charger, perhaps a mini tripod or some other small accessories. One more thing to mention is that both of these cases have a hard shell design. So they're quite rigid and don't really bend that much. And this can help protect your camera and your accessories when you just carry them in your backpack or bag. Another pretty interesting detail is that the zipper in here is water resistant. And I actually tried it under running water and it didn't get inside, which is definitely a really nice extra layer of protection. So overall, the mini case is gonna be great if you just want to keep things simple, you want to travel light, and you want a minimal setup. While the medium version is gonna be a better option if you want to carry more accessories with you and keep everything organized. The mini case costs around $16 to $18 on official Telesin website, depending on which color you choose, while the medium version costs around $24, which is just slightly more expensive. I think that it's a reasonable price for what you get for it. I forgot to mention, but both of these cases also come with a short strap and a clip, so you can easily attach them to your backpack, which makes them even more easier to travel with. So if you're looking for a simple way to keep your action camera gear organized and protected, These cases are definitely worth checking out, especially if you have DJI Action 6. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.